Hey, welcome to another day here in Quito, Ecuador. We are here at Carolina Park, and I want to kind of show you guys the Carolina Park area. Also, they have areas where they have the tents set up, and the tents are set up for food vendors. And there's one dish we want to try here called Cevichocho. It's kind of a vegetarian type of ceviche. Basically, it doesn't have fish in it. All right, so we arrived, and here is some of the food stalls that are here along the park walkway. Also, we got some other food stalls over here along the parkway. And there's more different areas in the park that have these food stalls. They have a botanical garden here at Carolina Park. They have a Japanese park here. And since we're early here at the park, it's a little after 10, we're gonna go ahead and check out different parts of the park and see if they have some different food stalls that we can also try. And I think a lot of the food stalls open up close to 11 o'clock for lunch. So, but this is more of Carolina Park. Like I said, this is a popular dish, Ceviche de Cho Cho, or Cevichocho. And looks like they have different things here on the menu. Different kinds of things you can get. We're here during a weekday, so it's not too busy. And also, overcast sky today. They also have a skate park here. Kids can come and skateboard. Okay, I think we found a place that we try some food here. So we got the chocho here, that's the bean they use. And they have some of the corn that we had the other day. And then the chicharron and the fried plantains. This is how they assemble everything. So we get the ceviche de chochos con fritada. I think that's what we're gonna get. So let me go ahead and see if I can. Hola, buenos dias. Ceviche de chocho con fritada? Sí. And let's see if I can get a video of her making it over here. So she's assembling it right here. So I mentioned earlier, this is the white bean they use, and they got some plantains going in there, and some corn. And the ceviche mix. It's really nice we can do this out here so that we can see how they make it. And then I believe they add some fried fruit meat to it. Oh, so they're frying up some of the meat here that they can put in here. Here's some of the meat. Oh, that's really good. So they have some pork here, and they also have some fried bananas here. All right. Picante? All right. Tomate? Okay. Lemon. Okay. Wonderful. Yeah. Wonderful. So let's put them on the pork there. We can put some. Yep. Yep. Oh. Okay. Get a little bit of ají, and that's tomato sauce. Oh, yeah, tomato. A little bit. All right. And then you got some cilantro there, and some lemon, and cucumber. Okay. Yep. Okay. There you go. Nice. All right. Okay, we're here to try Cevichocho, and actually it's a Cevichocho con fritada, which is fried pork, which have chicharron, we have fried plantain, also we have fried, or basically roasted pork as well. Let me go and show you this. There you go. And this whole plate here costs $3.50, I believe. So, yeah, take fried plantain chips here. Really good. So we're gonna try the Cevichocho first. It's right down here at the bottom. Has a little bit of ají on it. Also has some avocado, and you can see it's the white bean here. The white beans are really al dente, and their ají sauce is really spicy. Yeah, basically this is what I call a vegetarian ceviche. They're replacing the fish with the white bean, and then also they have the kernel of corn here, avocado, tomato on here. Okay, I'm gonna try some of this roasted pig here. I'm gonna use my fingers. It's a roasted pork rib, so I can see the rib bone still in here. They're really tender. A lot of good flavor on here. Really well seasoned. As you can see, it's the ribs. It's like having barbecue. Really good. Next we'll try this chicharron. A little bit more lighter. Let's give it a shot. Oh, this is really good. Ooh, wonderful flavor. You hear the crunch on that? Oh yeah, this is really good. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and try some of this fried plantain. Take a piece off here. Basically fried in oil, that's all it is. Also sweet. Sweet plantain. Really soft and sweet. Very nice. All right, let me try another bite of this Cevichocho. You know. Very good. Gracias. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed the video here at Carolina Park. We actually had a really good time here. The park is really nice, and if you find yourself in Quito, Ecuador, stop at this park. I think you really enjoy yourself. They have a lot of food vendors that are out and about. Also, it's around the metropolitan area, so you'll see a lot of businesses, as well as a lot of things you can do here, whether it be, you know, exercise, running, bicycling. Also, there's a dog park over here as well. Also, we had Cevichocho, which was a ceviche mix with a white bean, and that was really good as well. Also, we got the Cevichocho with some fried pork and some fried plantains, and that made it a little bit more different, as well as gave a little bit more food for us to eat. We shared both of that and got full. Also, if you enjoyed today's video, be sure to hit that like button, and also if you haven't subscribed, be sure to subscribe, as we're going to be going to different parts of Ecuador as well. Until next time, guys, we'll see ya. Bye.